Guys, so there's a tornado watch in this fish tank, and he's scared, so he's hiding somewhere. Oh my god! Bro, go, no, bro! There's a tornado! Do you see this tornado? You're gonna get sucked up. Hide in the Krusty Krab, hide in SpongeBob's house. Bro, get in! Oh my god, he just went... This tornado is violent. It's so violent. Bro, this tornado... Oh my god, it's getting sucked up. Bro, you gotta get in a house. Or something like that. Get in a house. You gotta get away from this tornado. It's dangerous. Look at it. I don't know what type it is. Bro, it's like an F1 or something. So you better get inside. This is an F0. Yeah, it's an F0. Look how tiny it is. No, F1. Bro, there's an F1 out here. You got an F1. So, oh my gosh. You got an EF1 out here, so you gotta... Bro, yes, get in SpongeBob's window. Come on, get out. Yeah, get out. Get out of the water. Sure, there's actually something out of the water. Yeah, bro, you should get out of the water. Swim out of the water. Well, but you can't breathe. Bro, you gotta hide somewhere. Hide in SpongeBob's house. Well, before this violent tornado. Here, oh yeah, I'm a tornado too, so let's chase it. Wow, look at the size of this thing. F1. The size of this thing. Hey, bro, you better get in inside that house with the Krusty Krab. Man, there's an F1 out here, and oh my god, he's so close to it. Bro, don't get close. Let's grab. Hi. Wait, finally went off. But oh my god, bro, you gotta hide somewhere, please. I don't want you to die. This tornado is violent. Look at all the... Isn't that inside the water? Not inside the water. Look, you can see it. It's a whirlpool. Bro, there's actually a whirlpool on top. There's a whirlpool. So we have a whirlpool on top of people. We just have a whirlpool, and this is how it summoned the tornado. Bro, you gotta get in that house before you get sucked up. You can't get sucked up by this thing. Still, look at the size of this thing. Look how high it is. Look how tall this thing is. I gotta hide. Look at this tornado. That's what the tornado looks like from the ground, guys. Yeah. Scary. Look at the size of this thing. Imagine seeing a tornado and you're like, this is a fish tornado. We got a water tornado. We got a waterspout. And yeah, oh my god, bro, you better... It's going right near it. I'm gonna follow this dude. Bro, I'm following you. Bro, you gotta get away from this thing. Bro, you gotta get away from this terrible F1. Get in that Krusty Krab, okay? Get in that Krusty Krab. Get in SpongeBob's house with the Krusty Krab. Because you cannot be out here right now. It's stealing us with storm chasers or whatever or something. So you better get in the just choose a building, hurry quick. Because this tornado is violent. But yeah, you gotta hide in the house. in SpongeBob's house, this tornado was violent. Really violent. Oh my god. Like, I just look up and look up in it. I can only be out in the oranges. When I look at it, there's another tornado. Okay, I know how it sucks up. There's another tornado inside. Seems to me that this green-looking tornado comes out, because you can see right there. It comes out of the water all the way down. The size of this tornado. Wait, did it hide? He hide! Oh my god, I scared him. Oh, you hid in the Krusty Krab. Good, that's good. You deserve that. Deserve a thumbs up. Alright guys, that's it for this tornado episode. I'll do one tomorrow. Anyways guys, peace out. Bro. Yes. Okay. So anyways guys, peace out. Bye.